In the dynamic world of project management, staying organized and on track is paramount. The right tools can make all the difference, transforming chaos into a well-orchestrated symphony of tasks, deadlines, and resources. Among the plethora of project management software available, Nifty has emerged as a versatile and user-friendly platform, offering a robust suite of features designed to streamline your planning and scheduling processes. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey, understanding how to effectively leverage Nifty's capabilities can significantly enhance your project outcomes. This video will delve into the various ways you can utilize Nifty for meticulous project planning and efficient scheduling, presented in a clear and accessible manner for learners and educators alike. 1. Laying the foundation, project creation and goal definition. Every successful project begins with a clear vision and well-defined goals. Nifty allows you to create projects with ease, providing a central hub for all related activities. You can define the project's scope, objectives, and key deliverables right from the outset. This initial step is crucial for setting expectations and ensuring everyone on the team understands the ultimate aim. Creating a new project. Nifty's intuitive interface allows you to create new projects with a few simple clicks. You can name your project, add a brief description, and even customize its color for easy visual identification. Defining milestones. Break down your overarching project goals into smaller, manageable milestones. These serve as significant checkpoints throughout the project lifecycle, allowing you to track progress and celebrate achievements along the way. Nifty enables you to define milestones with specific due dates, ensuring timely completion of critical phases. 2. Structuring the work, task management and organization. With the project framework in place, the next step involves breaking down the work into actionable tasks. Nifty offers a flexible task management system that allows you to organize tasks in various ways to suit your project's needs. Creating and assigning tasks. You can create individual tasks, assign them to specific team members, and set due dates. Nifty's clear interface makes it easy to define task priorities and add descriptions for detailed instructions. Utilizing task lists and sections. For larger projects with numerous tasks, Nifty allows you to group related tasks into lists or sections. This hierarchical structure provides clarity and helps team members focus on their respective areas of responsibility. For instance, you might have sections for design, development, and testing within a software development project. Adding dependencies. Many tasks are interconnected, with one task needing to be completed before another can begin. Nifty allows you to establish task dependencies, ensuring that the schedule reflects these relationships and prevents bottlenecks. 3. Visualizing the timeline, leveraging different views for scheduling. Nifty offers multiple views to visualize your project schedule, catering to different preferences and project complexities. Gantt chart view. The Gantt chart is a classic project management tool that provides a visual representation of the project timeline. Nifty's Gantt chart displays tasks as horizontal bars along a timeline, clearly showing start and end dates, durations, and dependencies. This view is invaluable for understanding the overall project schedule and identifying potential conflicts. List view. For a more straightforward, list-based approach, Nifty's list view presents tasks in a simple, chronological order. This view is ideal for quickly reviewing task statuses and deadlines. Calendar view. The calendar view displays tasks and milestones on a familiar calendar interface, making it easy to see upcoming deadlines and schedule work around other commitments. Board view, Kanban if your team follows an agile methodology. Nifty's board view, inspired by the Kanban system, allows you to visualize tasks as cards moving through different stages of completion, e.g., to do, in progress, completed. This provides a clear overview of the workflow and helps identify any roadblocks. 4. Resource allocation and management. Effective project planning involves not only scheduling tasks but also allocating the necessary resources. Nifty allows you to assign team members to specific tasks and track their workload. Assigning team members. When creating or editing a task, you can easily assign it to one or more team members. This ensures clear accountability and allows team members to see their assigned responsibilities. Workload management. Nifty provides insights into team member workloads, helping you identify potential overloads or underutilization. This enables you to redistribute tasks effectively and ensure a balanced workload across the team. 5. Collaboration and communication. Keeping everyone on the same page. Seamless communication is crucial for successful project execution. Nifty integrates communication tools directly within the platform, fostering collaboration and keeping everyone informed. Task-specific comments. You can add comments directly to individual tasks, facilitating focused discussions and providing context without cluttering email inboxes. Project discussions. Nifty offers a dedicated discussion area for broader project-related conversations, allowing team members to share updates, ask questions, and brainstorm ideas. File sharing. Easily share relevant documents and files directly within the project, ensuring that everyone has access to the information they need.